With a market value approaching $1 billion, macadamia nuts are a global delicacy. Let's explore how these buttery nuts are meticulously crafted for consumption. Macadamia nuts are harvested once they naturally fall from the tree, a clear sign of full maturity. When the nuts drop, their green husks split open and change to a brown color within a few days, indicating they are ready for collection. Harvesting is done entirely at ground level, either manually by workers or with the help of specialized machinery designed to gather the fallen nuts efficiently. This approach ensures that only ripe nuts are collected. Once gathered, the nuts are promptly transported to processing facilities for further handling, including drying, husking, and quality sorting. This careful method preserves the quality and flavor of the macadamia nuts, making them ready for market or further processing. After arriving at the factory from the farms, macadamia nuts undergo a rigorous inspection process. Workers carefully sort through the nuts, evaluating their size, condition, and overall appearance. Any nuts that are found to be defective are either discarded or repurposed for alternative uses, ensuring that only the finest quality nuts continue on to the next stage. This thorough selection process maintains high production standards and ensures that the macadamia nuts entering the final stages of processing and packaging are of premium quality. By focusing on selecting only the best nuts, the factory guarantees that consumers receive a superior product, meeting both safety and quality expectations. During the dehusking process, all macadamia nut husks are funneled into a large flat valve and carried into a crusher. This area, known as the dehusking section, has 2 clean nut hoppers, each holding up to 16 tons. The hoppers feed into 6 rubber dehuskers, each capable of processing 500 kilos of nuts per hour. 2 additional dehuskers use pneumatics to separate the husks. The nuts pass through a reverse belt that separates round nuts from husks, followed by a tumbler that removes small husk pieces and nuts under 16 millimeters. Then macadamia nuts go through further cleaning in a water bath where floaters, usually immature or insect-damaged nuts, are removed. High-quality nuts sink to the bottom and move on to the next stage. They pass through a flash dryer, which quickly eliminates excess water. The nuts are then transferred via an inclined conveyor to a drying room. This entire process is controlled by a programmable logic controller. With a simple press of a start button, the system operates in sequence, ensuring that any malfunction triggers an immediate stop to prevent spills or damage to the machinery, maintaining efficiency and product quality. The next step is shelling and cracking. While shelling refers to removing the outer shell to reveal the kernel, cracking involves breaking through the extremely hard shell without damaging the delicate nut inside. It takes an incredible 300 pounds of pressure to crack open their tough shells. Even wild pigs on the island somehow manage to break through them. In the factory, specialized crackers from Australia with precision knives are used to delicately open these rock-hard shells, revealing the precious kernels inside. Once cracked, the mixture of kernels and shells passes through a trommel, a large rotating screen that separates them by size. The sorted kernels then move to an optical sorter equipped with a high-speed camera. It captures images of the nuts in motion, using air jets to remove any remaining shell or unwanted material. This efficient process ensures only sound kernels move on to the next stage. During the grading and sorting stage, macadamia kernels undergo a meticulous process using inspection tubes, discharge systems, and conveyor belts. Intact, larger kernels are separated for premium whole nut products, ensuring top quality. Meanwhile, smaller or slightly damaged kernels are allocated for roasted snacks or ground into macadamia flour. This careful grading system allows for each kernel to be sorted according to its best suited application, maintaining high-quality standards across various product lines. By categorizing the nuts effectively, producers make optimal use of the crop, whether for high-end products or versatile food applications, ensuring that each kernel meets its intended quality and purpose. After grading, many macadamia nuts are sent for roasting, a crucial step that enhances their flavor and texture. Inside large industrial ovens, the nuts are roasted at precisely controlled temperatures for 10 to 30 minutes, depending on the desired roast level. This careful process brings out the natural buttery flavor of the nuts, creating the perfect crunch. Different roasting techniques are used to achieve a variety of flavors and textures, ensuring a wide range of products to suit different preferences. Quality control is essential throughout the macadamia nut process, where creativity and expertise ensure the best results. A certified plant and skilled team work together to transform fresh farm macadamias into a variety of delicious products. From flavored nuts to dressings and dessert spreads, every step is rooted in passion and dedication. The meticulous attention to quality guarantees that each treat delivers a mouth-watering experience from farm to your taste buds. After passing final quality inspections, macadamia nuts are packaged using advanced vibratory filler technology. This precise system accurately dispenses nuts in bags from 1 oz to 1 kilos, ensuring consistent quality. Packaging prevents oxidation, extending shelf life, and preserving the rich, buttery flavor of the nuts for consumers. The final step in the journey of macadamia nuts focuses on delivering the freshest, highest quality product to consumers. In retail stores, customers have access to a diverse selection of premium products, ranging from freshly packaged macadamia nuts to factory rejects, offering options for every taste and budget. By sourcing and processing the nuts locally on the Sunshine Coast, their farm-to-shelf freshness is maintained, ensuring every bite captures the essence of quality. Visitors can also tour the factory during the week, where they witness the entire process of sorting, roasting, and packaging. This first-hand experience provides a deeper appreciation of how these delicious nuts make their way from farm to table. The store itself creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere, where customers can shop confidently, knowing they've selected the finest macadamias available. This final step is not just about providing a product. It's about sharing the passion for macadamias and enhancing the overall experience for customers, making it truly memorable. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from vibrant orchards to the crunchy macadamia nuts we all love. Be sure to check out our next video on how hazelnuts are processed as well.